think I might have a. I'm close. I mean, I'm pretty much on there, but you might be able to push it even tighter to the stud.
I mean, it's like impossible to work with her. You know what I mean? She can't make a decision to save her life. That's an issue. You know what I mean? Like, make one, right or wrong, make a freaking decision. You know what I mean?
Let go?
No, don't let go.
Then how do you want me to screw it in?
I'm screwing it in for here. Let go.
I did not let go. You guys want me up here to spend time with me. I get it.
You're like, you a ham hock.
Now I'm letting go. Woo! Woo!
She always acts like it was for her first time, you know what I mean? Especially at night.
I mean, you just are destroying that.
God, I made it. I got it in.
It's destroyed.
It ain't destroyed. Yeah, it's destroyed. Didn't fit, you know? Like the pants that Erin tried off in Walmart yesterday. Just didn't fit. Weren't her size. She had to get the extra balloon size for that one, you know what I mean? To fit those cheeks. I still think I could probably cut some more off that board down.
I'm not happy with you. Should have married a drywall guy.
This thing, you bent this thing, dude.
I did not bend anything. You bent it when you dropped it.
You guys know that she used this right here. You use this one with this tip on there. Y'all can see, look at that. Bent. An $8 tool ruined by my wife.
I mean, you got Sasquatch here running all over the place. He knocks tools off ladders all the time. That's why he's bent, obviously.
Sasquatch?
Can't call you Bigfoot because we all know you got Smallfoot.
On there.
Don't worry, Josh. I didn't marry you for your drywall skills. Or lack thereof.
Well, I made you for your looks. That's about it. You ain't much of a conversational piece.
Do I need to break out the mohawk pick again, Josh?
No.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Josh and I struggling to do drywall.
Yeah, so we had, a hard time. A little bit on the struggle bus, getting these angles right and perfect. I do it in all angles every other time, and Erin loves it. But,
He just doesn't have the angle today, guys.
I don't got the angle today. So, I got my mind on a date night happening tomorrow.
Yes.
So, we have a company party to go to. We're really excited about it. We got a hotel out in DC area.
Yeah.
So.
We're getting all dressed up. We were able to find a suit to fit Josh in the kids section. It's our second date night.
Yeah.
2 weekends in a row, so it's pretty awesome. We're excited.
Yeah.
I'll have wine. Josh will have a kid's juice box.
Oh my God. She's probably not coming now. Yeah, I might just leave her at home, find somebody else. So, what else we got going on? So we got the drywall done. We're gonna go make our way out to the powerhouse. Mm-hmm. A lot of cold weather coming in, so we don't want to get to freezing temperatures down there in the powerhouse because of the Tesla batteries.
Yeah.
To get down to freezing temperatures and try to recharge them, it's just not good for them, start destroying them, and we can't let that happen. So, we got to put a propane heater in there, a wall-mounted one, as a backup.
Yeah. Yeah, tonight's going to be our first night of where we get down to freezing temperatures,
yeah.
I guess. So winter is definitely headed this way. We do not have the radiant heat up and running that you guys saw us install on the floor of the powerhouse, so we have to go to Plan B.
Plan B? Your styles with neutron stars can keep that place warm, huh?
What? Somebody gave us information about a neutron star.
Yes, it did. They said, I guess it's like 15 kilometers wide.
Uh-huh.
Okay? But the density is so massive. I think it's like 2,000 tons for a teaspoon of, on the size of a teaspoon, how much it weighs. So, yeah.
Yeah. So at least one of us has size.
God. So.
This is why we don't get any work done. We just sit here and...
So that's it, right?
Yeah, I think we're trying to delay the inevitable. We got to do the drywall. We don't want to do it.
No, we don't.
But we got to do it.
Yep.
So...
Too much tomfoolery going on around here, I think.
Well, you got to make drywall fun. Otherwise, it's pretty dry.
So is your humor. I mean, come on. That's it.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Move that left hand. Move it up. Pressure.
He likes to make things harder, like break the tip, not order a drywall lift to rent, that sort of thing, guys.
Aaron, try to burn them calories off your girl. That's what I'm trying to do. That's it.
Oops.
You just trying to put holes in the drywall. Try it.
Whoops. It's a tight corner. It's like you trying to fit in your dress pants for this weekend, Josh.
Sorry, we'll just mud over it. Not a big deal. What do you think?
I'll allow it. See, when I use two hands, I do a better job.
Takes two hands sometimes, no?
I'm being serious, Josh. Come on here. The family channel.
Push like this and slide it up like this.
Right.
And lift it up yourself. It's one sheet.
You want me to push lift the whole sheet up by myself?
Yeah.
And you want me to make sure it's all the way over here?
I'll push it that way from here.
Alright. What are you laughing at? Are you giving me the worst end of the deal?
Come on, big country, pick it up.
Like I said, I should have married a drywall guy.
I hear you.
Whoa. Note to self, order a drywall lift to rent. Otherwise the husband will make you do all the lifting. So our first room of drywall is completely done.
First room done.
Yes, that's
Exciting.
exciting. It's a big...
It was awful.
It was awful.
But we'll get better as we go. I mean, we're not carpenters, we're not drywall guys.
I think the
what it
saving
is.
grace for us is that the majority of the house is going to be wood planking.
Yeah.
Which, by the way, we greatly appreciate all of your comments. We had asked a question in the last drywall video about whether or not we should put drywall up before we put the planking, and you guys came through for us with an answer.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and drywall everything for it and fire tape it, and I guess be better fire barrier. So Good, done. So
Yeah.
now we got a lot of drywall to do. Thanks.
Yeah. But it's gonna get covered up, so that the areas that are with the planking.
Yeah, the majority of the house is gonna be planking.
Yeah, all the angled walls, which
Yeah.
is the majority of the house. So that's good. We got this done. It's getting dark, so now we need to hurry, get out to the powerhouse, and get our little heater installed. So let's head over there and get that thing done before it gets any colder outside.
All right, make it happen.
Alright guys, so the heater is all installed, up and running. It took no time at all to heat it up in here.
Yeah, so this heater is 18,000 BTU. It's way oversized for the powerhouse. The powerhouse is about 100 square feet. This thing is sized for a 700 square foot room. So, that being said, the reason why I went with this, guys, is I couldn't find anything smaller with a controlled thermostat to regulate the temperature inside the powerhouse.
Yes, and that was a must for us because we are not going to be in here, obviously, all the time, you know, keeping a track of the temperature.
Nope, and the reason behind keeping this place warm is because the Tesla batteries, we got to keep them up to temperature so we're not charging them while they're freezing, you know, so that will destroy the batteries.
Yeah.
So, very good investment. A couple $100, maybe $150 for this, actually.
Yes.
So it's definitely worth the investment to save those batteries.
Yeah, and this will hold us over in the meantime until we actually get our radiant heat up and running.
Yes.
So it was a must for us.
Yep.
And I guess that's it. I mean, we'll link this for you guys in the description below. We also use a smaller version of this heater in our RV that has worked out really well. You know, those things can be a little bit tough in the winter, especially if you don't have like an Arctic package or anything.
We don't have that. So, Aaron has that around her, but the RV doesn't.
He's blessed that I keep him warm at night, right, guys?
Yep.
So, but the littler buddy heater, it's done a great job in there. So
it has,
I expect this thing will too. We'll keep you posted.
Yep. All right, guys. That's all we got.
All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Yep. See ya.
See, I got pockets today, Josh.
You do have pockets.
I'm prepared. I'm ready to go.
I get it, but you put like a handful of screws in it, so you probably get 5 or 6 into my 30 on the sheet, right?
That's all you gave me.
That's all you need.
You don't share. Kind of like when we eat dessert, Josh. You don't share. You eat it all. Oh, Chucky found the beef jerky Daddy had. Did Daddy hide that beef jerky from you? You're too short to get it. What are you gonna do?
You want a piece? You want a piece of jerky?
Oh.
Sit down. There you go. Good boy. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. His face is so soft, you know? Come on, I got some more, buddy. There you go.
Is that good, Chucky? That's not on your diet. Don't tell your doctor.
Now, you know, but guess what, though? I got some more. Tonight I'm going to cut some more off your mama's back. Yeah, there you go. Goes in the pocket. Whammo. Good job. Good thing. Come on.